One of my favorite books is The Millionaire Next Door. In today's video, we're going to take a look at the fascinating insights presented in this book, about 7 bullet points from the book to provide you with some value and ideas so you can build some new good habits. If we haven't met, I'm Tony Hansman with Guardian Financial, and we are a wealth management firm. We help those who are in or near retirement with their overall financial planning, from investments, income planning, risk management, tax strategies, and even maximizing your Social Security. The Millionaire Next Door was written by Thomas Stanley and William Danko. It has a unique perspective on the lives of wealthy individuals and reveals surprising habits that have helped them become very successful in their finances. Number 1, the book challenges the common perception of wealth and reveals that millionaires are not often the flashy individuals portrayed in popular media. Instead, they're typically ordinary, hardworking individuals who have accumulated wealth through discipline and sound financial habits. And I find this to be 100% accurate, as it sounds and looks exactly like the millionaire clients that I work with on an everyday basis. Number 2, they tend to live below their means. They spend less than they earn and they avoid excessive spending. This frugal lifestyle allows them to save and invest wisely, paving the way for long-term financial success. So, eating out less at those expensive dinners. Number 3, they allocate their time, energy, and money. Millionaires prioritize investing their money to generate passive income and build net worth over time. They understand that wealth is not just about material possessions, but rather a reflection of financial security and independence. So, investing consistently for the long run. Number 4, the book emphasizes the significance of financial independence, which enables individuals to make choices based on personal values and goals rather than financial constraints. Achieving financial independence involves creating multiple streams of income, reducing debt, and making strategic investment decisions. This is really important than high social status. They can afford to buy the Rolex, but they don't need to. Number 5, the author stressed the importance of education and continuous learning in building wealth. Millionaires tend to be lifelong learners, consistently seeking knowledge about finance, investments, and business opportunities. They understand that expanding their knowledge base provides them with a competitive edge in making informed financial decisions. Number 6, another key aspect highlighted in the book is a strong work ethic and entrepreneurial mindset. They're often self-employed, driven by a desire to control their own destiny and reap the rewards of their hard work. They're not afraid to take calculated risks and are willing to invest the time. And number 7, The Millionaire Next Door goes into great detail of generational wealth. They're instilling financial discipline and values into their children, passing down knowledge and resources to help them build their own wealth. This focus on financial education helps create a legacy of prosperity that extends way beyond a single generation. And there you have it, the essence of The Millionaire Next Door, summarized in just a few minutes. This thought-provoking book teaches us the financial successes within reach with anyone who wants to adopt the right mindset, practice discipline, and prioritize long-term wealth accumulation over immediate gratification. So, start implementing these practices in your life today, and you might just find the millionaire within you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more valuable insights on personal finance and wealth. And as always, remember to consult a licensed professional who understands your specific goals and dreams.